In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upsells in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, effective upsell that encourages customers to add more to their carts and boosts your average order value without feeling pushy. First, install an upsell or cross-sell app from the Shopify App Store. Search for an app that clearly states it supports upsells and cross-sells and check that it works with your theme. Look for strong reviews and simple setup. Once installed, open the app. Next, click Create Offer. This is where you'll define what customers will see and when they'll see it. Most apps will guide you through with a simple wizard, so follow the prompts as you go. Choose where the offer appears. You can place it on the product page or the cart page. Product page upsells work well when shoppers are still deciding and you want to suggest a complimentary item right away. Cart page upsells are great for a final nudge before checkout, especially for add-ons that are easy to say yes to. Select the offer type. You'll typically pick between cross-sell, which shows related or complementary products, and frequently bought together, which bundles items customers often purchase as a set. Cross-sell is perfect for accessories or compatible add-ons. Frequently bought together is ideal when a bundle creates a complete solution, like a main product plus essentials. Set your trigger and products. Decide when the offer should appear, on all products, specific products, or certain collections. Then choose the exact items to upsell. Aim for products that genuinely add value and make sense with what the customer is viewing. Keep the number of suggestions focused so it's easy to decide. Add a discount if you'd like. A small percentage or a fixed amount off can encourage action without cutting too deeply into your margins. Make the discount clear and simple and avoid stacking too many promotions at once. Customize the design to match your store. Adjust the text, colors, and layout so the offer blends with your brand. Keep the headline short and benefit focused. Use clear buttons and ensure it looks great on mobile. Consistency builds trust and improves conversions. Finally, publish the offer. Click Publish in the app, and if your theme requires it, enable the app block or extension so it appears on your storefront. After publishing, view a product or cart page that should trigger the offer to confirm everything displays correctly and loads quickly. That's how you add upsells in Shopify. This simple setup can meaningfully increase your average order value. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.